Ang karera sa Senado, kanya-kanyang gimmick. Kulang na lang, mag-magic. Bakit nga ba ganun, sir?
Running for the Senate is a popularity contest.
Ah, contest pala ha. Sige nga, sir. Sampulan mo kami. Ladies and gentlemen, from the province of Bukidnon, let's hear it for United Nationalist Alliance candidate, Mig Zubiri.
We try again. Oh, let me try again.
You know, but wait. Kala nyo sa una lang may singer ha. Meron din sa Team Pinoy. Ready na kayo, sir?
Okay na yung sound? Okay na? Test? Okay na? Okay, sige pa.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the province of Cagayan de Oro, let's hear it for Team Pinoy candidate, Senator Coco Pimentel.
They say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us on this road called Tuwid-na-Dan.
Running for the Senate is a popularity contest. Unfortunately,
Oo nga, sir. Unfortunately,